been 63 years since passenger service has gone to Riegelsville Station in New Jersey, and while the trains through there used to go 50 miles an hour, this train will see speeds closer to 20 miles an hour, which is fine, of course, as passengers here are tourists, not commuters. The day is May 6, 2023, and this is the inaugural run of the river train from Phillipsburg to Riegelsville. Now, I know what some people will say. Phillipsburg has had excursion trains for over a decade. Yes, Phillipsburg. The train ran southbound only about 5 miles, but up until now has not gone the full 10 miles to Riegelsville. But wait, Riegelsville is in Pennsylvania. Yes, it is. But the Riegelsville Station is in New Jersey, even though it has a Phillipsburg zip code. The smooth video you're seeing was taken with my Osmo Pocket 2, and unbeknownst to me while I was filming, the reflection of the passing landscape in the glass in front of me creates such a mirror effect at times, it almost makes the train seem to disappear in a feat that David Copperfield might be proud of. The train was headed by Black River and Western locomotive number 811, a GP9 diesel of the nickel plate heritage. In spite of her lettering, the river train along this branch is run by the Delaware River Railroad Excursions. As I love train rides from both companies, I have links to them in the description. The 19th century station in Riegelsville is undergoing a full rebuild and restoration and will be open in the near future. Across from it is the century-old bridge across the Delaware River, opened in 1904. As usual, once we got to our destination, I let the crowd move on across the bridge ahead of me while I wandered around the station, catching sight of a visitor too busy scaling the incline across the tracks to notice me. While in Riegelsville, I walked to the Borderline Cafe and had Sicilian pizza, which is definitely 5 stars on my 5-point rating system, and then taking my time to enjoy the bridge and the view of the Delaware that may wind up in my 2024 self-made calendars. I plan to return when the building is reopened, so I will have more video of this excursion in the future. Route 611 is across the river in Pennsylvania. Several years ago, a major storm washed away part of the roadway, but it has been rebuilt and reopened since. The excursion has an optional stop in Snyder's where riders can take an adventure tour at the Susquehanna Mining Company. I was more interested in the train and the Riegelsville destination on this outing, as well as being on the first train in 63 years to bring passengers to the station. The tracks run along the river and underneath the Route 78 bridge that I've driven over dozens, if not hundreds of times. It has 7 spans and is over 1,200 feet long. I remember this bridge opening in 1989. Along the way, we passed the engine shed, which is also where they store things such as other coaches, cabooses, and an RDC Bud car. I'm gonna let this video run for a while longer for all those railroad fans out there. And back in Phillipsburg, we will see the train go by again on its way during the 3rd run, as well as a Norfolk Southern that snuck up on me, passing overhead on the main line. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you watched the entire thing, as I put a lot of work into these videos. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.